In this video, I'm going to show you how to see achievements on Epic Games in just a couple of quick steps. If you play games through the Epic Games launcher and want to check your progress, unlocks, or completed achievements, this guide will help you find them fast without digging through menus. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Epic Games and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because achievements are tied to your profile, and if you're using the wrong account, you may not see the games or progress you expect. Once you're in the Epic Games launcher or on the Epic Games website, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your username there. Click your username to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to account-related options, and this is where the achievements section is located. From the drop-down list, click My Achievements. After you select it, Epic Games will take you to the page where you can view your achievements. Here, you'll be able to see the games connected to your account and check what you've unlocked so far. Depending on the game, you may see completed achievements, progress toward other achievements, or a full list of what's available. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second and make sure your connection is stable. If you still don't see anything, double check that the game you're looking for actually supports Epic achievements and that you're signed into the correct profile. And that's it. That's how to see achievements on Epic Games. It only takes a few clicks, but it's a really useful way to track your progress and see how far you've come in your favorite games. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Epic Games tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.